What are you doing?
I'm not. I won't.
Alright, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kyle Anderson, and today I'm actually here with some homies. We got Fat Boy Castro. Nah, just kidding. We got Castro over here. We got Fran.
What's going on, everybody?
You gotta,
make sure you guys eat tuna.
this boy's all about that protein. Fran actually makes some videos on YouTube as well. He does gaming videos, so hit the link in the description. Follow my boy Castro. He's just helping out today, filming and stuff.
Instagram down in the bio.
He's got Insta, but like
the bio, go check it out.
But yeah, so we're here at the Naples part. You know, Castro lives over on this side. It's already rained a little bit. Everything's already a little moist, but we're gonna try and get some clips. We got some clips before the rain, and we're gonna try and get some more now. Just stick around. It's gonna be a chill session. Hopefully, it's fun for you guys to watch.
I'm not done yet. I ain't done.
What's that kick with nose, Manny? What are you doing?
I'm a liar. I'm trying to get clips, bro.
You're what? You're pregnant?
Yeah, bro.
You lost your virginity? This is still south.
You're telling the customers wrong information. We're in West Florida. South Florida is Wade County.
It's southwest.
Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe.
Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Kyle's video. I got my boy Fran right here. Go like, subscribe, Frosting.
I'm changing my name. I knew it. How did you do that?
Frank is running his mouth, bro.
How did you do that? How? I don't know. You broke the box, bro. No, not me.
He's gonna drop in on the pole jam. You won't.
I'm not. I won't. You're right. I'm gonna eat it if I try.
My man, you're gonna be out of breath by the time you push over here.
You don't get any protein?
All of that for that? Really? My man. You about to look like your damn shirt. How's that brand new board sound so soggy? Bro. That's your clip for the video? Breaking your kneecap? This is the whole video. It's all you. It's all you, BBG.
You want me to say it with you?
Ooh.
All eyes on me.
See that smile.
You know, I've been actually trying to do something for the past like hour. But you know what? I think the rain made us like chill. We just ate Chipotle.
Did you have Chipotle?
Yeah.
I'm jealous.
No,
Chipotle?
that's some protein though.
Dude. You alright? Yo, I think you need to... Homie, helped film a lot, and Fran's just being Fran. We're done at the park. And look at this smile. Look at that smile. Oh! My God. Anyways, it was a good time. Like I said, the weather's kind of, you know, Florida weather. We're in, you know, Southwest Florida. Thanks, Fran. Got you. Look how pissed off he is. It was still a good time hanging out with the homies that I haven't seen in a while. And now it's starting to rain, so we're heading out. But with all that being said, this is the end of the video, so thank you so much for watching. If you found any enjoyment throughout this, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. And as always, get out there and push your comfort. What the hell?